Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to add an element to an array in JavaScript. This can be achieved by the two ways, that is using the push method, and the second one is the concat. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have a push method. Push method adds one or more elements to the end of an array and returns the new length of that array. Make sure it always returns the new length of the array. So there is a simple phenomena, that is your array, and here we have an array dot push whatever value you want to insert. Okay, next we have the concat method. Concat method used to merge two or more arrays and returns a new array that contain all the elements of the original arrays. It returns the new array that contains all the elements of the original arrays. Okay, so the method is like concat. So here we have my array, then concatenate whatever the value you want to add, then print that one. Okay, so I'm going to comment this one, and let's console this one. Okay, so save this and go to our Chrome browser. Here you can see that 1 2 3 4. Here we have the additional fifth array. Which one is my array? Actually my array is already added, so let me make sure this one to be like another one. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and make it 6 to be added. Okay, and make it my array 1 and my array 1 and new array. Okay, save this and go to our Chrome browser. Now you can see that, because the same, because in the previous one what happening, in array we have already added the 4, and the same one we are adding the 4 one in the same one, so that is the confusion. So here you can see that 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. So both methods can be used to add an element to an array in JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.